welcome back to STEAM class with me, Sheki. In this STEAM class, we will learn about science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Okay, so this week too, we will need your circuit, glue gun, tube jar, and also solder to make a hole later. Okay, let's start. Okay, so guys, please take your solder and also the cover from the tube jar. Okay, you need to make a hole as big as your DC motor or dynamo. Okay, make sure it's not too big and it's not too small. Okay, so it's around 1.5 centimeter. Just make sure you be careful because this is very hot. Please ask for your parents' help. Bit more, just be careful, no need to rush. Okay, just test it. Is it big enough? Okay, if it's not big enough, then you can make bigger hole. Okay, just test it again. Okay, so it's good. Okay, put it around this, around here. Okay, now prepare for your glue gun. Make sure do not cover any hole. Just make sure it's only sticking. No need to cover everything, that's okay. Just make sure this is sticking. So no need to put too much. Only on the side, that's okay, yeah? Only on the side. Do not put glue here, okay? Let it be. It's okay if there's a hole, that's okay. Just put it here, the one without holes, so you will not destroy the machine. Okay, let it dry first. Put it in. Now please glue it here. Just make sure this is the negative side, right? Make sure the black one with the black one. And this is, you can see, this is the positive side, right? make sure the positive side is with positive side. The negative side is with negative side. Now you can glue it. Make sure do not glue any hole. Okay, you can take it out first actually. Okay, you can take it out first. Press it down. Okay. Take the switch and put it here. Make sure that the on switch, yeah, facing up. Put the glue. That's good enough, so you can switch it. Okay, so if you want to make it a little more tidy, you can put little tape to join them together. Okay, make sure the cover still can be open, for example like this. Okay, that's it for today. Good job everyone. Please make sure that you keep this properly. Okay, see you everyone. Bye bye.